शायद ज्वेलरी बनाना आसान होता था क्योंकि वही 22 कैरेट, 20 कैरेट, 18 कैरेट मैक्स में होता था, लेकिन अब 24, 23, 22, 20, 18, 14, 12, 9 आप कहेंगे मार्केट कंफ्यूज्ड है या ज्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं?
No, see, people have this perception to buy 18 still because whatever they have bought up till now, the value has appreciated. So why not buy again 18 carat, 22 carat and 24 carat and continue that buying? Because after 10 years, what do you think? The gold will be double and all their investments and purchases, what they've done for their family will be double. So it's better to buy high carats. Note my point that don't buy 9 carat. It has to be 18 minimum. It's a good investment. Just continue doing it and give your generations, next generations, the higher value that they needed.
10-11% डायमंड है, 2% जेमस्टोन्स है, एंड देन कुछ बहुत मिलके यहाँ पर चांदी है जिसको हम एज ऑफ नाउ काउंट भी नहीं कर रहे हैं. तो विद दोज परसेंटेजेस एकदम स्टैक्ड आउट, आपको क्या लगता है किस तरह की ग्रोथ या किस तरह का डाइवर्जन या किस तरह का चेंजिंग इन सेंस ऑफ बाइंग पैटर्न इंडियन मार्केट्स अब आने वाले समय में देख सकते हैं, अनसर्टिनिटी के चलते और प्राइस मूव्स के चलते?
So the biggest answer to this is the gemstone era has arrived. You will never imagine.
बिग फैट इंडियन वेडिंग्स की वजह से?
That is one of the reason. And see, diamond is just getting a ball through. That CVD is there, natural is there. The gemstone is making the way out. You're saying again 2%. It has grown to 10% already. We just finished JCK America last month only, and it was a fabulous show because everyone just loved gemstone. And coming from India, where majority of the gemstones are cut, the gemstone era is here. And you'll see the best time of gemstones in the next 3 years. If you put a gemstone in a jewelry, it will be inquired and it will be sold. That's the tagline.
So second half में अब क्या expectations हैं?
So see, first we have to understand the first quarter and the first half was bad because people have holded their purchases. See, anything rising by 30 to 40%, like the gold went 30-40% up. So people have stopped buying for a while. That was the reason the figures were low. So you'll see one of the best next quarter because not only they'll be purchasing the regular purchases, but they'll be buying what they had holded for the last quarter. So this quarter, be very well prepared. We have prepared our best inventory and many of them have prepared being positive, and we'll see one of the best quarter, the coming one.
One of the best quarters?
100%.
And वो क्या percentage आप काम कर रहे हैं? Because he said 25%.
It will be more than 30%. The reason is we have to cover up the last quarter as well.